The campus has grown tremendously over the past 8 years, just over 600 students, 55 faculty and staff members across 10 different programs. McAllen campus is unique, one, because of where we're located. Being on the southern tip of Texas, we serve a demographic that really has a need to further their education. A lot of determined folks, aspiring individuals who want to make a difference in the community. I think a real strength of the McAllen campus is going to be our faculty and staff. When I'm reading student surveys, the front desk, the atmosphere, the feeling of feeling at home, feeling recognized comes out through those surveys and through those comments. The next level of growth for us is going to be expanding the services we're able to offer our employers, really figuring out what their needs are so that they can improve their employee retention. So whether that's adding additional skills like EKG to their existing workforce, CHCP McAllen has the opportunity to really expand and serve the needs of the community.
All of our instructors have a true passion for their field. They love what they do and they love teaching it. CHCP and McAllen has a tighter community. All of us communicate with each other because that's how we're going to get these students to be successful in life. So from the moment they come in, you have a great person greeting them. Then we have the admissions who takes care of enrolling them and guiding them towards the best program.
One of the ways that CHCP McAllen maintains partnerships with employers in the area is by ensuring that we produce quality healthcare professionals. Our aim is to train the best students that can do the job.
Career Services helped me by showing me how to do a resume, how to speak, how to think more clearly, how not to get nervous in front of the interviewer, and how to answer my questions.
My experience as a student here at CHCP was great. It was a really amazing time that I spent here. All the staff, everybody was super helpful. I never felt like I didn't have a voice here.